Strip steak, a Greek-inspired marinade, delicious veggies. Put them together under a quick broil, and you're gonna have a healthy dinner that tastes amazing. We'll need strip steak, and honestly, if you're gonna go for a KC strip, shoot for the KC Pride labeled cuts at Price Chopper. Excellent quality, usually a good sale too. For our marinade, grab your garlic, Greek yogurt, obviously, olive oil, honey, lemon juice, red wine vinegar, oregano, salt, and pepper. For our veggies, we're doing fingerling potatoes, grape tomatoes, and artichoke hearts. First things first, we gotta get this marinade going. The goal is to give this steak at least an hour, but you can do it before work and give it up to 8 to soak. Start with a small bowl, then I'll add my minced garlic, yogurt, a tablespoon of olive oil, lemon for some brightness, honey for some sweet, and red wine vinegar for complexity and acid. Then our seasoning, oregano, pepper, and a decent pinch of salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon. Whisk, whisk, whisk that together, and boom, we've got our marinade. Grab your steak, place in a zip top bag, and then finish off with your marinade. Make sure to press out the excess air, zip her up, and transfer to the fridge. Okay, I've got my oven in at 400. It's been about an hour, time to prep my veggies. Potatoes take the longest, so let's give them a head start. Give them a quick toss in oil and salt, then put them on a sheet pan in a single layer. Those go in for 15 minutes. While those are cooking, prep your tomatoes and artichokes the same way. Quick toss in oil and salt in a little bowl, and then we're gonna pull our potatoes out at the 15-minute mark and push those aside. Then take your tomatoes and artichokes, put them on the other half of the pan, and then put them in for a quick 5-minute stint in the oven. Time for the steak. Let's grab that from the fridge and take it out of the marinade. You can just discard the rest of the marinade. I'm gonna take my sheet pan and push all the veggies to one side, then put the steak on the other. The key here is to use the direct, powerful heat of the broiler to really give it a nice sear and then quickly cook it to a medium rare. That should take about 3 minutes. I like using an instant read thermometer to check the temperature, and I'm looking for something at about 135. Flip the steak once and give the vegetables a stir so they don't burn. Pull that out and then tent with foil for some residual cooking, up to 145. The secret with steak is slicing against the grain. Short muscle fibers make for an extra tender bite. Serve that steak alongside the roasted veggies, and voila. I love this meal for the huge flavor it packs without the heavy feel. See you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.